Hey y'all, this is Joe with the customer experience team here at Rad Power Bikes. Today, I want to go over some recommendations for gear to use while riding your e-bike. First off, we always recommend riding with a helmet. Protecting your head is a top priority. In terms of footwear, you're going to want to wear athletic shoes with good grip. Grip is going to be especially important when riding in wet conditions. The stiffer the sole, the more energy you will transfer from your legs to the pedals. This is less important on an e-bike, but still worth mentioning. Personally, I always ride with gloves. In the warm weather, you can get bike-specific gloves that have padding in strategic areas to dampen the vibration from the handlebars. This can be really helpful if you experience pain in your wrist while riding. During the fall and winter, I upgrade to gloves with a little bit more insulation. This is not only going to make your riding more comfortable, but will also help when it comes to braking, because having chilly hands can slow down your reaction time. For clothing, you want to avoid excessively loose or baggy items, especially near the pedals. And there are a variety of products on the market that feature high visibility and reflective colors. These are great to use in combination with lights to make sure you're visible to other vehicles on the road. Ride Rad and stay tuned for the next video.